In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a custom footer. So let's jump to the dashboard. The process of making footers is the same way of making the custom headers. So let's jump to the templates. Here you can find the templates and then theme builder again. After that, we need to come to this option footer, and then again we need to add a new footer and name it as main footer. So let's click that, create template. As we are going to create the footer from scratch, so we need to close that library. So let's come to this plus icon here. We need to add a row. Let's go to the sample website here. What we have a form and nothing else there. So let's make something else, not like this. It is very simple on the sample website. So let's make something which will give you more idea about custom footers. So in that case, we can remove this one. We need 4 row. So at the left side we can add our logo, site logo here, and we can have some links in these 2 parts. So let's add links as using the list icon. You can see the list icon. Simply drag and drop that option here. This is the list. We can rename this as our pages. We can put the links, or we can rename this whatever we want and set the link here. And also if we want to remove these icons, we can do that, or if we want to have that, we can also keep and make the styling options from here. So I don't want to have any icons here. Let's remove. Also do the same process for others and others. Fine. So we have this lists here. We can center align this logo by clicking this column and come back to this vertical alignment. Here you can see, and we can set that as middle. So our logo will be visible on the middle part, and this part we can set that as about contact, whatever we think. We can copy this and paste that here, or we can also add more options if we want. Just simply duplicate this by clicking this, and at the right side we can add the social media what we have added on the header part. So let's come back to the header. Stop. We can simply copy this element by clicking right click and copy, and come back to the main footer here and just simply come up here, and at the plus icon we can simply right click and paste that thing. So we got our social media icon here. We can change the logo background color of our footer by clicking this section editor, and then we can simply come this style option and set the background color from here, which is let's make it something else like this. Okay, and then we need to change the links color, so click it here at the pencil icon and come back to the styling options here, and we need to find that option of text. Click that here, and now we'll find that option of text color and set that as white, green, whatever you think. Okay, so we can easily copy this thing again, and we can all do just simply right click there and paste the style. So whatever styling we did to this part, if we copy paste that to this element, it will get the same style of from where we copied the style. So we need to add just a little bit padding here to make it good looking. Just come back to this advanced option now. Advanced option, after clicking this arrow, we need to come up this advanced option here. Click, and now we will able to see the padding option, margin option. So we can add a few paddings as like 40 pixel. If we add 40 pixel, currently you can see the padding has been added all over every side, left, right, bottom and top. But if we want to add margin paddings specifically in one place, then we need to uncheck this option, and then we can before unchecking this, we can simply remove all of them at once and uncheck this, and now we can select manually as like we want to have 50 pixel on top, 50 pixel on bottom, and 20 pixel on left and 20 pixel right. No, sorry, 30 pixel. Also, if we want that dimension to be as em and percentage, we can also set that according to our need. So currently I am saving this as our main footer, but before saving, let's check it on other devices. Let's go to the tablet option here. On the tablet it seems okay. Let's jump to the mobile option here again by clicking this mobile. On the mobile device, the text needs to be, the links needs to be center aligned. So let's click it here and simply come to this option, edit icon list, and you can see content. Click it here and simply you can mistake, we have this option here on the styling, center aligned, and we can do the same thing for this part. Click it here, come to this style option and make it center aligned, and we can save that. Now publish. If you want to adjust the font color for specifically on mobile devices, we just simply need to come this text and we can create click this option of typography. You can see, click. As you can see, it's for specifically for mobile devices, so we can define the font size for mobile devices also. Let's set that as 14 pixel and publish. Whenever we want to click whenever we want to publish that, we need to click publish, and then the same way it will ask the condition, either we want to have this on whole website or on specific parts. So let's add condition, and we want to have this footer on entire site. Let's save and close. So our footer is live now. Let's preview that by clicking this preview icon. As you can see, our footer is live. So the header part and the footer part has been covered. On the next video, I will be showing you how we can add few products, and after that we will be discussing about the pages, and we will try to have them from scratch using Elementor.